Latest social media updates. WhatsApp launches topic-based channels in more regions. Google Messages may get multi-device support similar to WhatsApp. Google built a surveillance system into its Chrome browser to improve privacy. Microsoft's OneDrive for web will soon work offline. Twitter spin-off Blue Sky hits 1 million users. Microsoft is killing third-party printer drivers in Windows 11. Google adds new AI tool to help maximize video ad performance. Microsoft releases new Windows 11 Insider Preview build with improved file sharing experience. Microsoft is killing off translation features in OneNote for Windows 10. Amazon announces Supply Chain by Amazon, offering sellers end-to-end SCM across all sales channels. Windows 11 Beta Build 22631.2338, KB 5030305, changes chat to Microsoft Teams. TikTok Shop officially launches in the US. Nintendo Switch 2 rumored to leverage Nvidia Ampere GPU and DLSS. Microsoft's Bing Chat Enterprise service adds new deployment controls. Netflix has announced an animated showcase featuring numerous video game shows. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.